Ladies and gentlemen, I am Raziaq and today we are going to discuss about how to cancel the sale agreement. Initially, I have a channel called Sattam Arivom, Raziaq Sattam Arivom, which is in Tamil language. Some of the subscribers requested me to make a video in English as they do not know the language. So in pursuance of the repeated request, I am making a new channel, and through this I used to make videos on law subjects. So I request you to give your continued support for this efforts. So in this video we are going to see how to cancel the sale agreements. इसी वीडियो में हम देख सकता है कैसे हम सेल अग्रीमेंट कैंसिल कर सकता. The sale agreement, you know the difference between the sale deed and the sale agreements. First of all, you should know that sale deed, in the sale deed we sell the property and the property is conveyed from one person to another person. So the real sale transaction took place in sale deed. So the sale deed, when we are purchasing a property, we have to register the sale deed and we have to pay necessary stamp duty and registration charges. Nowadays in Chennai, in Tamil Nadu, we'll have to pay around 8% towards stamp duty and about 4 or 5% it seems, I have to check it, towards registration charges. Totally it comes around 13% it seems, 8 plus 5 it seems. So this is the way we have to make a sale deed. So for making a sale deed, this seller will receive the entire sale price. So purchaser has to pay the total sale price, and the seller execute a sale deed and hand over the property and hand over all the title deeds related to the properties. So the sale is totally complete in sale deed. In sale agreements, it's an agreement prior to sale deed. Here, the parties agreed to make a sale deed. So when they are making a sale agreement, what really happens? So the purchaser gives small amount as an advance, assuming that there is the total value of the property is about 20 lakhs. The purchaser used to pay at least say about 10,000 or 50,000 rupees as an advance and get an agreement in which the seller agrees to sell the property, the purchaser agrees to purchase the property, and the total sale price is mentioned therein, and the time for completion is also mentioned therein, and any other obligation, any other terms. Supposing there is a mortgage is there, then there will be a clause saying that this mortgage has to be cancelled. Suppose there are some tenants are there, then it will be mentioned like that the seller has to vacate the tenants and hand over the vacant possession at the time of registration. So these are the clauses normally which takes place in sale agreements. So सेल डीड में पूरा सेल क्या करता है, सेल इज टोटली कंप्लीट. सेल अग्रीमेंट में लोगों एक्सेप्ट सेल करने के एक्सेप्ट किया. यहाँ advance on the payment of advance sale agreement is done. In sale deed में पूरा पैसा रिसीव करने के बाद ये सेल डीड एग्जीक्यूट करता है. The problem comes when the party agrees to pay the balance sale price and complete the sale within a period of 3 months or 6 months, and the party fails to make any such payment and complete the deal, then the problem arises to the seller. Now, supposing that the party did not turn up after 3 months or after 6 months and did not pay the balance sale price, then the position of the seller is very critical. So, he is not able to sell it the property to another person, and they will face a lot of problems. In Tamil Nadu, initially, the law does not require the registration of the sale agreement. Nowadays, the law requires the people to register the sale agreement. The problem is, once the sale agreement is registered and it is the actual sale is not completed within the stipulated period, and the party go to the registrar office to sell the property to another person, the registrar says will not allow you to execute the sale deed to the subsequent purchaser. He will insist you to go and cancel the earlier sale agreement, and he will insist you to go and bring the previous buyer and make a sale deed with him, sale agreement, cancellation deed with him. So, if the previous buyer comes to the registrar office and make a cancellation sale agreement, then it's okay. The problem is solved. In most of the cases, the previous buyer won't turn up and he will not come, and you will be in trouble in selling the property to any other person. Now you will have to do the process called sale cancellation of the sale agreement. So how can you cancel this sale agreement? First of all, the best way is you can put a clause in the sale agreement itself saying that this sale should be done within the period of 3 months. If it does not happen, for whatever be the reason, then it will automatically cancel. So, when you put a clause automatic cancellation in the sale agreement, it will automatically cancel the sale agreement. Then you can comfortably close the deal with the previous buyer, and you can go for a new purchase. The second option is that you can issue a legal notice. You can issue a legal notice to the buyer, calling upon him to come and execute the sale deed within that agreement period. And if he fails to do that, you can also mention that you have failed to do that, so we are cancelling this sale agreement, and you can just simply ask him to come and execute the sale agreement, say cancellation of the sale agreement, and collect your advance, or you can simply say it is already cancelled, so the entire deal is closed. Like that, you can send a legal notice. Then on the basis of the legal notice, you can go to the sub-registrar office and can show this notice saying that we have properly cancelled the sale agreement through a advocate notice. Now that agreement is cancelled, so the registrar should not insist the cancellation of the earlier sale agreement by way of registered document, and you can insist the sub-registrar to go and register the subsequent sale deed to the new purchaser. The practical problem is that the registrar is not accepting any such things, but in law he cannot insist, he cannot say that you will not permit the registration of the subsequent sale deed. But they will show that they have some GOs from IG registration office, and that on the basis of that we will not permit you. So you have to go and bring the earlier buyer who has made a sale agreement, and like that they used to say. But that way of approach is not correct. So to overcome this issue, the best way is send a legal notice, send a lawyer's notice saying that this agreement is cancelled, this agreement is terminated, this company has come to an end, and show this legal notice to the sub-registrar and insist him to go and to register their subsequent sale deed. Once this is done, then you can comfortably register the subsequent sale deed without any difficulty. In spite of that, suppose the registrar insists and refuse, then you can simply say, you can get an appointment and put an online appointment and can present the document and ask the registrar to pass some orders. If the registrar really wanted to reject that, let him pass an order saying that I am rejecting this sale deed. Then you can make a petition, you can make an appeal to the district registrar, and the district registrar will consider this thing and give a necessary direction to the sub-registrar to go and register the subsequent sale deed. The thing you have to mention is that you have to mention that the earlier agreement is done, earlier sale agreement is made, and it is properly cancelled by way of the advocate notice, and you can also enclose the copy of the advocate notice with registered acknowledgement card along with the sale deed, so that it will also be formed up of form part and parcel of the sale deed, and it will give him the buyer, new buyer, and extra strength. Now, supposing that district registrar is not accepting, then you can make an appeal to IG registration. If the IG registration also says pass any order saying that they will not permit, then you can take this matter to High Court by way of filing a writ of mandamus. So once you file a writ in the High Court, then automatically the High Court will simply pass an order, give a direction directing the sub-registrar to register your document. As per law, every citizen has their own right to sell the property to any person. The one and only thing you have to do is you should not suppress, you should promptly specify that the agreement is made on that day, within the date it was not completed, within the date the earlier purchaser did not pay the sale price, so the sale was not completed, and it was properly terminated, it was properly cancelled by way of another legal notice. If you specify all those things in your sale deed and enclose the copy of the legal notice, then you can comfortably register your sale deed. And in spite of that, if you have any problem, you can make an appeal to district registrar, IG registration, or finally you can also go to High Court. Frankly speaking, the High Court, this case will be taken up, similar type of cases will be filed in the High Court soon, and necessary direction will also come in any cases. In such circumstances, you will not have any such problem. Till then, you will have to follow this procedure. That alone will help you to overcome your difficulty. So this is a way to cancel your sale agreement. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, give a like. If you want to make a comment, make a comment. If you want any clarification on legal matters, if you have any doubts on legal subjects, just click on my channel in YouTube. I have posted several videos and under several topics that will help you to clear an idea to give a solution. I used to say there is a solution for every problem. The one and only way, the one and only job to us is to find out the proper solution, the way to get the proper solution. So my channel, my legal knowledge, my sharing of the videos will help you to get a proper solution to solve your problem. In spite of that, if you have any doubts, you can call me and you can consult me over phone or in person, for which you can contact this number. Knowledge is power, and legal knowledge is extraordinary power. So if you get legal knowledge, if you watch my videos and acquire your legal knowledge, you can make a comfortable life with confidence. I hope you will watch my video and get a confidence in your life. Thank you for listening this video. I will come again with another topic, with another video. Till then, goodbye.